I've been waiting for you. I've been waiting for you. Hello, this is How To Not To, and today I will be unboxing the Panasonic DVD recorder, DMR EX86EB model. The box is a bit damaged as it's been kept in the attic all this time, and I thought I'd bring it out of retirement to give you a review and a demonstration on how it works. So I bought this about 8 or 10 years ago for about £270. I did check on Amazon to see if it's still available. However, I don't think you can buy this particular model in the store anymore as it's discontinued by the manufacturer. But they do have newer models available with more storage space for around the same price or even lower. It comes with the Freeview, and the data can be converted to 1080 by 1920 HD. The DVD recorder can store up to 320 gigabytes of data. That's about 567 hours of recording time. It supports the following DVD discs along there. Okay, let's get it open. So we have the manual, which is still in good condition, considering that it's been in the attic all this time. I would need to have a look at that. And we also have a 21-pin SCART cable, aerial cable, remote control, and the AC mains lead. And finally we have the Panasonic black DVD recorder. The dimensions are 430 by 59 by 286 millimeters, and the weight is about 3.4 kilos. It has Dolby digital sound. The video system is PAL DTSC, and a button to open and close the DVD disc tray. Also at the front are the port connectors, which are hidden behind this. To open it, just pull along here to flip down the front panel. So here we have the AV3 input terminals, and along here we have the channel selector, stop button, record and play buttons, which you can also click to fast forward. USB port, I don't know how that got so dusty. Dusty, clean it. At the rear we have the AC in power supply and a HDMI AV out terminal. So moving along here, we have two AV1 TV and AV2 external SCART terminals, and further along is the audio and video output terminals, and right at the end are the aerial input and output terminals. We also have the cooling fan and a digital audio output terminal. Oh, and also there is a air vent at the side there to prevent it from overheating. So in a minute I'm going to show you how to connect the wires and cables to the DVD recorder. So the aerial input lead goes in there, and the aerial output goes in there. The SCART lead in there goes in the AV TV socket, and the other end connects directly to your TV. The AV power lead connects in the back of the TV, like so. And you can also connect the DVD recorder to your TV with the HDMI cable, which I'm going to connect now, as I find the picture quality is more defined with the HDMI cable. And the DVD power cord goes in there. So let's plug it in, turn it on, let's go. The device works really well for recording standard definition Freeview TV. You can transfer data to the hard drive or onto a DVD disc. Freeview TV. Okay, we're all set up. I just need to select HDMI on the TV. I'm now going to click function menu on the remote control, and here you can amend the settings and scan for channels, etc. So this is the setup menu where you can select and set the playback and record functions, and you can select to record to either DVD or to the H drive. There are a lot more functions along here, but I won't bore you with all that now. So that's it. I hope you liked this video and found it useful. I will be doing another video on how to transfer the footage from the mini DVD camcorder to this Panasonic DVD recorder. So click on the notifications if you want to see that video, and if you don't want to see that video, then click on it anyway to see more unboxing and how-to videos. And don't forget to subscribe as well. Thanks for watching. This has been How To Not To. Bye for now. 16 days left for Christmas.